In 2020, there were 196 people that we know of who passed away in Calgary while experiencing homelessness. When someone passes away or is very ill and they are experiencing homelessness, often they're removed from what people would call their street family, folks who are sometimes the most significant people in their lives and who are not able to visit them in hospital, or who don't know if their family member or a friend falls ill. And so there's a missed opportunity to be with someone as they near time of death. Community members have been talking about the need for a permanent memorial site in Calgary for years, for decades. So for me, this project is a beautiful example of how research that is truly embedded within the community can lead to outcomes beyond published academic papers, and in this case leads to being a public art project.
You take a piece of living material, you make it smaller, then you make it bigger, and it's amazing what you can do with it. You know, it's from my friend Max. He always, generally most days, had a smile. Good kid, major demons, and the demons got the worst of him eventually.
Are you comfortable sharing with me how Max passed?
I really don't know. Just heard him on the news that he had passed away. It's just nice to see something along the lines that, you know, our society is recognizing stuff like that. Like, you know, the forgotten people.